my name is Ayumi. I'm an English teacher and a dancer too. Welcome to our class. Today I will show you a song called At the Park. At the park. Do you like to go to the park? I do this at Nensho class, yellow class. Here it comes. What is it? What is it? Did you see it? Bike. Bike. At the park I ride my bike, ride my bike, ride my bike. At the park I ride my bike. Very good. And what's next? Oh, it's a ball. Can you catch the ball? Catch. At the park I catch my ball, catch my ball, catch my ball. Very good. And slide. Everyone loves the slide. At the park I go down the slide, down the slide, down the slide. And this is the last one. Did you see it? A seesaw. On the seesaw I go up and down, up and down, up and down. Very good. Let's go to the park. Yay! Here comes the music.
Unit 7. Park Play. Song. At the Park.
At the park I ride my bike, ride my bike, ride my bike. At the park I ride my bike, I really like my bike. Next, let's catch the ball. At the park I catch my ball, catch my ball, catch my ball. At the park I catch my ball is really cool. Very good. Let's go down the slide. At the park I slide down the slide, down the slide, down the slide. At the park I slide down the slide. It's fun to play outside. Next is the seesaw. On the seesaw I go up and down, up and down, up and down. On the seesaw